Hello friends, we have made it through our first week doing school from home. And let me tell you, I am so proud of all of you and all of the cool activities that you have shown me and sent to me. I've loved every bit of it, so keep up the great work. And I'm so glad that I have you back with me today because we're gonna do an alphabet activity with our last name today. So on Monday at the beginning of the week, we did an alphabet activity with our first names, and today it's going to be kind of the same thing but with our last names, okay? So I know you all know my last name, which is Sellums. So what I want you to do first is I want you to get a piece of paper just like last time, and I want you to write your last name on that piece of paper just like I did and put a big rectangle around it, okay? Great job. Now what we're going to do is we are going to draw arrows and we're going to say the sound of each letter, and we're going to try and think of another word that starts with each letter, okay? So for my name starts with the letter, what letter is this? Perfect, the letter S. All right, now what sound does the letter S make? Try and think and tell me. Perfect, it makes the S sound. Awesome job. All right, and now what is another word that starts with the letter S? That's a good one. I didn't think of that one, so the word that I thought of was sand, okay? So I'm gonna write the word sand on my paper, which we have a lot of in Florida, right, with all of our beaches. All right, so moving on to our next letter. The next letter in my name is an E, and what sound does an E make? You're right, eh, eh. So I'm gonna draw my arrow, and I wanna think of another word that starts with E, okay? So can you try and tell me one? Perfect, that does start with the letter E. So the word that I was thinking of, I know we all have these, we have two of them, two ears. Perfect. All right, so I'm gonna write ear on my paper. All right, next in my name comes the letter L, okay? So I want you first, tell me what sound the letter L makes. Perfect. L, L, L. That's the sound that the letter L makes. So, what is a word that starts with the L sound? Can you tell me real quick? Perfect. Awesome job. So the word that I was thinking of is log. We can find logs out in the woods. Now, in my name, I have another E. So I have two E's in my name, and we already said that the E makes what sound? Right, the eh sound. So can you think of one more word? We have ear, but can you think of one more word that starts with the letter E? Awesome, I didn't even think about that one. So the word that I thought of was elephant. All right, I know all of you know what an elephant is. Can you make the sound that an elephant does for me? Perfect, awesome job. Now, the next letter in my name is the letter M. Can you tell me what sound the letter M makes? Right, M, M, M. Now, I'm thinking of a word that starts with the M sound, but at home, can you think of a word that starts with the letter M too? Awesome job, you guys are on the ball today. So the word that I was thinking of was mom. Perfect, and now, guess what? My name starts with an S and it ends with an S. So we're gonna come up with one more word that starts with the letter S. But first, what sound does the letter S make? Remember what we said? Perfect, it makes the S sound, kind of like a snake, right? S. So I already said that sand was a word, but I'm trying to think of one more word that starts with the letter S. So can you tell me one? Perfect. That is an awesome word. The one that I was thinking of, though, is a really short word. Only has 3 letters. See. We all see from our eyes. All right, so that is all the letters to my name. Now what I want you to do is when you do this at home, go ahead and take a picture of it and send it to me so I can see all the great work that you've done. Thank you so much for helping me today. I couldn't have done it without you all. This has been a great first week, and I'm proud of everything that you've sent me, and I can't wait until next week when I get to hear from you more, all right? So make sure that you have fun this weekend. Try and get a little exercise in, move around, read some books, hang out with your family, and I will see you next week. Bye, everyone.